In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync HubSpot tasks to your calendar, making task management and scheduling an absolute breeze. We all know how juggling multiple platforms can become a bit hectic, so integrating your HubSpot tasks with your calendar is a fantastic way to simplify the process. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to HubSpot's homepage. You can easily find this by simply typing HubSpot into your search engine, and it should be the first result. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the landing page, as it offers a myriad of tools that can aid in various aspects of business management. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button. It should be somewhere near the top corner of the page. Clicking that will prompt you to enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you haven't saved your login information, make sure you have it handy. This is crucial for accessing your task list and syncing it later on. After successfully logging in, navigate to the HubSpot home. If you're not automatically redirected there after logging in, look for the home icon or your dashboard link. This is essentially your command center where you can view all your tasks, leads, and other pertinent information. Now let's move on to the next step. You'll need to click on Settings. Typically you'll find the Settings icon at the top of the screen. It often looks like a small cog or gear. This section allows you to configure a variety of features tailored to your business needs. It's also where you'll find the syncing options for your tasks. From the settings menu, you'll want to select General. This will direct you to a page with several options related to your account preferences. Here you can start setting the groundwork for task management by ensuring your preferences align with your daily operations. Next, go ahead and click on Calendar. This is where you'll integrate your tasks with your personal calendar. Whether you use Google Calendar, Outlook, or another service, syncing ensures your tasks appear where you're most likely to see them, your calendar. Finally, you'll see an option labeled Tasks Calendar Sync. Go ahead and click that to start the syncing process. This feature allows all your HubSpot tasks to automatically appear in your calendar, meaning no more toggling back and forth between the two platforms. Keep in mind that this might require initial permissions or settings adjustments in your calendar application, so be ready to make those changes if prompted. And there you have it. Your HubSpot tasks should now be seamlessly integrated into your calendar, making your task management smoother and more efficient. By following these steps, you've taken a significant leap towards better organization and productivity. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to consult HubSpot's help resources or community forums for additional support. Thank you for watching, and happy syncing.